market equilibrium. Two equations are given to us, the demand function for T and the supply function. Okay, where P is the price and time is denoted by T, or P is the price at time T. If the initial price, that is when time is 0, is 36 rupees per kg, find the conditions for equilibrium. ठीक है, whenever market equilibrium is given to us, ठीक है, दो equations हमें दी होंगी. In equilibrium, demand is put equal to supply. ठीक है, and if the question also has this last statement, if the initial price is given, ठीक है, initially होगा तो हमेशा एक वैल्यू जो होगी वो 0 होगी. Based on that we are given the other variables value. ठीक है, इसका फायदा क्या है? From this we'll get the value of the arbitrary constant C. ठीक है, from this 36 we'll be able to calculate the value of C. Let's look at the question. In equilibrium, demand is equal to supply. Equilibrium की condition है, demand should equal supply. Market clearing price, market clearing quantity. Okay, 120 minus 2p plus 5 dp over dt is put equal to minus 30 plus 3p plus 50 dp over dt. ठीक है, taking dp over dt and p terms on the left hand side, we get 50 dp over dt minus 5p over dt, 5 dp over dt plus 3p plus 2p is equal to to find out its solution, we need the coefficient of dp over dt to be 1. ठीक है, मैंने आपको बताया था ये अगर 1 नहीं है फर्स्ट टर्म, ठीक है, इसको हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना या डिवाइड करना विद एनी टर्म so that this coefficient becomes 1. So dividing both sides by 45. 45 and 45 get cancelled out. This cancels out 9. ये भी cancel out हो जाता, 10 and 3. Okay, so equation 1 is our differential equation. dp over dt plus 1 over 9 p is equal to 10 by 3, which is linear in p. So this is of the form dy over dx plus py is equal to q. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म जो है लीनियर वाले का. So capital P is equal to 1 by 9, q is equal to 10 by 3. तो लीनियर का सोल्यूशन कैसे निकालते थे? वी फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेटेड P then we found the integrating factor, उसके बाद solution में put करते थे. Okay, so integral of p dt is equal to integral of 1 over 9 dt. 1 over 9 is a constant, take it outside. Integral of dt, we get 1 over 9 t. Integrating factor, e raised to the power integral of p dt, which is equal to e raised to power 1 over 9t or e raised to the power t over 9. Moving on. The solution is given by p into the integrating factor small p. हमारा linear in p है इसलिए p आ गया यहाँ पे. P into the integrating factor is equal to integral of the right hand side, which is q, into the integrating factor dt plus c. P into integrating factor is t e raised to the power t over 9, which is equal to integral of 10 over 3, q हमारा 10 over 3 है, into e raised to the power 10 over t over 9 dt plus c. p into e raised to the power t over 9, 10 over 3 is taken outside, integral रह गया t over 9 का. ex का इंटेग्रल पता है, ex का इंटेग्रल इज ex itself, जो भी कोएफिशिएंट होगा of x it is taken in the denominator. ठीक है, in this case the coefficient of t is 1 over 9, 1 over 9 is taken in the denominator. So we have p into e raised to the power t over 9 is equal to 10 by 3 into e raised to the power t over 9 into 1 over 1 by 9. 9 ऊपर चला जाएगा, this cancels out. We get p into e raised to the power t over 9 is equal to 30 into e raised to the power t by 9 plus c. Dividing both sides by e raised to the power t over 9, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे इसको, इस टर्म को आपने हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड पे लेके जाना ही है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टर्म्स विल कैंसल आउट, बट c के साथ ये माइनस में आ जाएगा. ओके, सो आवर equation is p is equal to 30 plus c into e raised to the power t by 9. Okay, now it is given to us that at time 0 price is 36. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं करना, पुट कर देनी वैल्यूज. p is 36, left hand side is 36 is equal to 30 as it is, c as it is, e raised to the power 0 by 9. Taking c on the left hand side, c into e raised to the power 0, 0 divided by 9, 0, ठीक है, is equal to 36 minus 30. Now see e0, e raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. तो in most of your questions e raised to the power 0 जब आ जाएगा, because जो भी power में होगा variable, that will be equal to 0, which will give us c into 1 is equal to 6. The value of our constant is 6. Substituting this value in equation 2. So your final answer is P is equal to 30 plus 6 into e raised to the power minus t over 9. हाँ जी, note down question number 2. The cost y is related to the number of items by the equation capital D plus 2 into y is equal to 3 plus 4x plus 5 into e raised to the power minus x. If y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0, show that y is equal to 1 over 2 into 1 plus e raised to the power minus 2x plus x into 2 plus 5 into e raised to the power minus 2x. कैपिटल D का ध्यान रखना है. कैपिटल D means d over dx. d square होता तो d square over dx square. Okay, so this given equation can also be written as dy over dx plus 2y is equal to 3 plus 4x plus 5 into e raised to the power minus 2x.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ जी,
सर ये जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर y है ये d के साथ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होगा? जो dy by dx है उसके साथ y नहीं आएगा?
ये y यही तो है. पहले ये y ऐसे था ना. d का मतलब सिर्फ d over dx है. ये y बाहर वाला ही आया. कैपिटल D का मतलब सिर्फ d over dx है. It does not mean dy over dx. हाँ जी. ये लीनियर विथ कांस्टेंट कोएफिशिएंट्स वाले मैंने लिखा हुआ वो एक बार फिर से चेक कर लेना. ठीक है. So this equation is linear in y. dy over dx plus py is equal to q वाला फॉर्म है इसका. Moving on. Here p is equal to 2 and q is equal to the right hand side, which is 3 plus 4x plus 5 into e raised to the power minus 2x. We need to find out integral of p dx. P is 2. 2 integral dx is nothing but 2x. integrating factor e raised to the power integral of p dx which is equal to e raised to the power 2x. Integrating factor is equal to e raised to the power 2x. The solution is given by y into the integrating factor is equal to the integral of right hand side, or q into the integrating factor dx plus c. Y into e raised to the power 2x is equal to integral of q is 3 plus 4x plus 5 into e raised to the power minus 2x whole multiplied with e raised to the power 2x plus c. Multiply e with all the terms. Y is equal to y into e raised to the power 2x is equal to integral of 3 e raised to the power 2x plus 4x e raised to the power 2x plus 5 into e raised to the power minus 2x into e raised to the power 2x dx plus c. Three is a constant, it is taken outside. 4 is a constant, it is taken outside. Here we have e raised to the power minus 2x and 2x. The exponents are added, minus 2x plus 2x cancels out, e raised to the power 0 आ गया, e raised to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Therefore we get 5 integral dx. Then y into e raised to the power 2x is equal to 3 integral e raised to the power 2x dx plus 4 into the integral of x into e raised to the power 2x dx plus 5 into the integral of dx plus c. 3 into e raised to the power 2x का आ गया 3 over 2 e raised to the power 2x. Coefficient of x is taken down in the denominator. Then for this term we do integration by parts. Integration by parts. 4 into brackets open x into the integral of the second. इंटेग्रल मैंने डायरेक्टली लिख दिया e raised to the power 2x over 2, ठीक है, माइनस इंटेग्रल ऑफ द इंटेग्रल ऑफ द फर्स्ट सेकंड फंक्शन, ये भी मैंने डायरेक्टली लिख दिया यहाँ पे, ठीक है, into the derivative of the first function d by dx of x, इस सारे का dx brackets close plus 5x plus c. Then y into e raised to the power 2x is equal to 3 by 2 into e raised to the power 2x plus 4 into x into e raised to the power 2x over 2 minus 1 over 2 is taken outside. ये पहले ही इंटेग्रल का निकल के आ गया था. 1 over 2 is taken outside. Integral of e raised to the power 2x into 1 dx. dx over dx 1 हो गया. हमें इंटेग्रल निकालना सिर्फ e raised to the power 2x का. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स का ध्यान रखना, बीच में माइनस आता है. Then 3 over 2 e raised to the power 2x plus x into e raised to the power 2x over 2 minus 1 over 2 into e raised to the power 2x over 2 plus 5x plus c. When you multiply these terms with 4, it becomes 3 by 2 e raised to the power 2x plus ये इससे cancel out हो जाएगा. We get 2 into x into e raised to the power 2x. Then 2 into 2 is 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled out. We have only minus e raised to the power 2x plus 5x plus c. Then cross multiplying or dividing both sides by e raised to the power 2x, e 2x को right hand side पे ले गए. We have 3 by 2 plus 2x minus 1 plus 5 into x into e raised to the power minus 2x plus c into e raised to the power minus 2x. Most of the terms will get cancelled out, बाकियों के साथ minus में numerator में. Three by 2 minus 1 gives us half. So y is equal to half plus 2x plus 5x into e raised to the power minus 2x plus c into e raised to the power minus 2x, which is the required equation. Solution हमारा आ गया. Now it is given to us that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Substitute these values in the solution. We get 0 is equal to half plus 2 into 0 plus 5 into 0 into e raised to the power minus 2 into 0 plus c into e raised to the power minus 2 into 0. ये भी 0 हो गया, ये भी 0 हो गया. We have 0 is equal to 1 over 2 plus c, which gives us the value of c minus 1 by 2. Substituting this value of c in the solution or equation 2. Moving on to the next page. So we get y is equal to half plus 2x plus 5x into e raised to the power minus 2x minus half into e raised to the power minus 2x. c की वैल्यू minus half यहाँ पे आ गई. Combining the first and the last term and middle terms, we get 1 over 2 into 1 minus e raised to the power minus 2x plus x into 2 plus 5 into e raised to the power minus 2x, which is the required answer, hence proved. जी, please note down question number 3. The second question was related to the theory of cost. ठीक है. Question number 3 is related to demand. हाँ जी. What is the elasticity of demand and what is the mathematical formula which we use to compute elasticity of demand? जल्दी से बताओ. What is elasticity of demand?
Percentage change in demand with respect to percentage change.
Percentage change in quantity demanded due to a percentage change in price, या फिर मतलब the responsiveness of quantity demanded to the change in price of the commodity. ठीक है. So the formula, ठीक है, is given by E is equal to minus dq over q. This is your percentage change in quantity. ठीक है. इसको change को हम डेल्टा से भी डिपेक्ट कर देते हैं. परसेंटेज चेंज, यहाँ पे परसेंटेज नहीं, परसेंटेज वाला इग्नोर करके we write dq over q. You can write q, you can also go for x. ठीक है. हो सकता है क्वेश्चन में x स्पेसिफाइड हो. It does not matter. I put a minus sign because demand का केस है. ठीक है. This can also be written as this minus dq over dp into p over q. ठीक है. Now it is given to us कि elasticity is equal to 1. Elasticity is equal to 1. हमें इसका डिमांड फंक्शन निकालना, मतलब x is equal to a minus bp वाला टर्म जो हमारा डिमांड इक्वेशन होता है, क्वांटिटी इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ प्राइस, वो वाली हमने इक्वेशन निकालनी. गिवन e is equal to -1, therefore dq over dp into p over q is equal to -1. Cross multiplying, we have dq over q is equal to minus dp over p. dq over q is equal to minus dp over p, which is a case of variable separable. Single term है, q and p. dq भी given है, dp भी given है. We take q on the left hand side, right, p on the right hand side. The variables can be separated, ठीक है, and integration can be done. ठीक है. Integrating both sides of equation 1. log के टर्म्स में आ जाएगा. वेरिएबल सेपरेबल केस में log में टर्म्स में आ जाता था, याद करो. So we have integral of 1 over q dq is equal to minus 1 over p dp, which is equal to log q. 1 over q का होता है log q, या फिर differential the derivative of the denominator if it is there in the numerator, then the integral is the log of the denominator. We have log q is equal to minus log p प्लस log c ऐड log c इसलिए बिकॉज बाकी सारा log में, ठीक है. Taking log p on the left hand side, we get log q plus log p is equal to log c. Log m plus log n is equal to log mn. We get log qp is equal to log c. Log log cancel out हो जाते हैं. We get qp is equal to c, which is the required demand function. qp is equal to c is the required demand function. This was the third question related to demand. Moving on to question number 4. Profit. The change in net profit pi as advertising expenditure x changes and is given by. A similar question has appeared in one of your previous question papers. ठीक है. D pi over dx is equal to 5 minus 3 into pi plus x. We are to find the profit if pi or profit is equal to 10 when x is equal to 0. Or in other words, we have to find out the relationship between profit and expenditure. ठीक है. मल्टीप्लाई कर दो दोनों टर्म्स को 3 के साथ. We get d pi over dx is equal to 5 minus 3 pi minus 3x. Taking 3 pi on the left hand side, we get d pi over dx plus 3 pi is equal to 5 minus 3x. Comparing this with the linear form, dy over dx plus py is equal to q. मतलब this equation is linear in pi. So capital P is equal to 3 and q is equal to 5 minus 3x. Most of the questions which have come in your question papers, they are also of this type only. एक आधा बर्नौलीज का है, बाकी वेरिएबल सेपरेबल का है. 3 types of differential equations they have come in your economic applications. So we have integral of p dx, integral of 3 dx, 3 is taken outside, 3 integral dx is 3x, integrating factor is e raised to the power p dx, which is e raised to the power 3x. The solution to a linear equation is given by pi into the integrating factor is equal to integral of q into the integrating factor dx plus c, which is pi into e raised to the power 3x is equal to integral of 5 minus 3x into e raised to the power 3x. Now, see, in the second question there were 3 terms, फिर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर था तो हमने इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, वन ऑफ द टर्म्स इवन कैंसल्ड आउट, 5dx रह गया था फिर. Here we treat this as one term, this as the second term. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स यहाँ पे लग जाएगा. 5 minus 3x is our first function, e raised to the power 3x is our second function. So pi into e raised to the power 3x is equal to first function 5 minus 3x into the integral of the second function dx minus integral of the integral of e raised to the power 3x second function. ठीक है, इसका इंटेग्रल, सेकंड का फिर से इंटेग्रल into the derivative of the first function 5 minus 3x का derivative. Derivative of e raised to the power 3x is e raised to the power 3x over 3. The first term is on the right hand side is 5 minus 3x into e raised to the power 3x over 3. ये यहाँ से आ गया this term. Minus e raised to the power 3x into 3. सेम टर्म यहाँ पे आया हमारा, यहाँ भी इंटेग्रल था, यहाँ भी इंटेग्रल था, यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड पे डबल इंटेग्रल. The derivative of 5 minus 3x is minus 3. x का कोएफिशिएंट 5 तो कांस्टेंट है, it is minus 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled out. dx plus c. Minus minus plus हो जाएंगे. We have pi into e raised to the power 3x is equal to 5 minus 3x into e raised to the power 3x over 3 plus e raised to the power 3x over 3 plus c. Cross multiplying or dividing both sides by e raised to the power 3x. पहले टर्म को सेपरेटली लिख लिया, 5 over 3 minus 3x over 3 e raised to the power 3x तो कैंसिल आउट हो गया, प्लस 1 over 3, इधर आ गया, ये इधर आ गया, प्लस 1 over 3 प्लस c into e raised to the power minus 3x 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3 gives us 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. Pi is equal to 2 minus x plus c into e raised to the power minus 3x. This is the required relationship, ठीक है, प्रॉफिट और x का, कॉस्ट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग का. Pi is equal to 2 minus x plus c into e raised to the power minus 3x. Now in the question we are given, find profit if profit is equal to 10 at x is equal to 0. ठीक है, x की वैल्यू पुट करनी है 0. We'll get the value of our constant. when x is equal to 0, pi is equal to 10. Left hand side पे 10 आ गया, pi की जगह is equal to 2 minus 0 प्लस c इंटू e रेस टू द पावर -3 इंटू 0, e0 1 हो जाता है, c की वैल्यू आ जाती है आपकी 8. If you people have Rana and Agarwal with you in your question, correct the value of x. X की वैल्यू वहाँ 9 लिखी हुई है. It is not 9, it is 0. ठीक है. Therefore, our answer is pi is equal to 2 minus x plus 8 into e raised to the power minus 3x. ये क्वेश्चन देख लेना आपके एक्सरसाइजेस में है. In the last exercise before difference equations का chapter. हाँ जी, note down question number 5. It is given that the elasticity of demand of the demand curve, where x is a function of p, is of the form a minus b p. A minus bp. इसकी भी correction करना. It is written a minus b minus p. It is a minus bp. Misprint है. A minus b minus p लिखा होगा. Instead, write a minus bp. Where a and b are constants, find the equation of the demand curve. Again, elasticity of demand का formula लगाना. Elasticity is equal to dx over x divided by dp over p, which can also be written like this: dx over dp into p over x. Given to us, elasticity is equal to a minus bp question में. Therefore, dx over dp into p over x is equal to a minus bp. Separating the variables, dp and p को right hand side पे ले जाओ. We have 1 over x dx is equal to a minus bp over p into dp. We get a over p minus b into dp, which is a case of variable separable. X term, one x term on the left hand side and p terms on the right hand side. ठीक है, a की p का term है.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी.
सर इसमें ये कंफ्यूजन होती है कि ये कैसे पता लगता है कौन से वेरिएबल को किस साइड पर लेकर जाना है और किस फॉर्म में बनाना है इक्वेशन को.
वो इसी here तो it is elasticity में तो it very clear कि dx और x को left hand side पे dp और p वाला जितने भी terms है keep them on the left, because यहाँ पे specified ही है ना a minus bp. ठीक है, तो a minus bp is to be kept on the right hand side. See, अगर सबसे ज्यादा easy कोई form है that is variable separable, try करना variable separable से question हो जाए. नहीं होता, ठीक है, then go for the linear form. dy over dx plus py is equal to q. ठीक है, वो अगर नहीं होगा तो बर्नौली होगा, ठीक है। इकोनॉमिक एप्लीकेशंस में ओनली these three आर बीइंग यूज्ड, ठीक है। पिछले क्वेश्चन पेपर से भी आप देखना, दीज आर द टाइप्स दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड, ठीक है। अगर वो फिर नहीं होते तो देन ओनली गो फॉर एग्जैक्ट या होमोजेनस, ठीक है, या कांस्टेंट कोएफिशिएंट्स वाला, ठीक है। फर्स्ट ट्राई के वेरिएबल सेपरेबल का केस बन जाए, एक टर्म लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, जैसे यहाँ पे x का टर्म इज ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, p के टर्म्स ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड। नहीं होता तो फिर लीनियर के लिए चले जाओ, आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम, जो मर्जी आप फॉर्म यूज कर लो, उसमें नहीं, वो आपका गलत नहीं होएगा, ठीक है। Integrating both sides, we have integral of 1 over x dx is equal to integral of a minus p into b, sorry minus b dp। वेरिएबल सेपरेबल में log आएगा। मूविंग ऑन, log x is equal to a is kept outside, constant है, integral of 1 over p dp minus b is a constant kept outside, integral of dp plus c, log x is equal to a log p minus bp plus c, n log m वाला फॉर्मूला, n log m is equal to log m raised to the power n. Similarly, a log p is equal to log p raised to the power a. Log pa is taken to the left hand side. Log x minus log p raised to the power a is equal to minus bp plus c. Log m minus log n is equal to log m over n. So log x minus log p raised to the power a becomes log x over pa, which is equal to minus bp plus c. log को कैंसिल करने के लिए we take e, we get x over pa is equal to e raised to the power minus bp plus c. Taking pa, p raised to the power a to the right hand side, we have our demand function x is equal to p raised to the power a into e raised to the power minus bp plus c. Are these questions clear?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubts? Acha. Now, regarding your exam tomorrow, okay, okay, the paper will be of 20 marks, ठीक है, last time की तरह ही होगा, the question maximum marks are 20. Then there will be 5 short questions. एक second, I select it. Maximum marks 20, ठीक है. Short questions, you have to attempt 3 out of 5 for 2 marks each.